Hey guys, so today here we're going to be talking about this cute skirt. So it does come in the color turquoise, which is really cute. What's really nice about this is that it's a high-low skirt. So what I mean by high-low skirt is that in the front you can see that it is a little bit higher and you can walk a little bit easier instead of having just a full-on train like how it is in the back. So it's cute and it's just great for parties, great for quinceañeras. Also too, you can use this for cosplay as well if you're into that too. So another thing about this is that it comes with a waistband, which is really nice because it really hugs the body really well. It comes with some little straps as well, so you can hang it on like some hangers or anything, which is really cool as well. And also it does come with like a fabric as well, so that it doesn't have anything super see-through. So let's go ahead, try this on and see how it looks. Alrighty guys, so I have it on here. Like I said, it's the high-low skirt. So here it is in the front. It is super nice, so you can walk around without kicking the front of the dress, and in the back it is full, so it's super cute. Give it a try.